talk to you. You are new here, right?
Yes, you're right. I'm new here. I'm super excited to talk to you.
Hey, what's your name?
My name is Shekaida Haq Maisha. You called me Maisha. What's your name?
My name is Saira Chaudhary. You can call me Saira. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old. Where do you live?
I live in Cox's Bazar, but I'm from Mamising. Mamising is beautiful city.
Wow. What does your father do?
My father is an engineer. You know, he's a famous architect. He designs hospitals, buildings, houses. You know, I love my father.
Wow, nice. What's your favorite subject at school?
My favorite subjects are science, English and math. But I like most science.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black. Do you have any pets?
No, I have any pets because my mom don't like pets. Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye.
Bye.